I've got Midnight Blue, and I'm going to ink up my roller and then just transfer that onto our bob long. Some water and our fan brush. I'm just going to tap, and then let's take a print. See what we've got for the background. That's a little bit dark, so what I'm going to do is just add a little bit more water and our kitchen roll. Okay, going to go in with the light. Go in with one of our corners now. We're going to use the Midnight Blue, and I'm just going to go around the edge. I'm just adding a little bit more depth here so she doesn't look like she's floating. It's really, really pulling my eye now into the centre. I've kept this area nice and light. And I'm just going to just touch up her hair in parts. Follow that line on her hat. It's all these little bits now that will just pull that attention out. Maybe we'll do a little bit of foliage first. So now the orbs. You can use whatever colours you like. Glitter yellow, which is quite nice. This is like a gold. Pull out all that detail in this corner here. White in the centre. This makes it really pop, I think. Some glitter. I've got silver here. Just dot a little about. I just want it to be nice and subtle. And there we have it. So I didn't actually need that much colour on there at all. So it just goes to show really how simple of a background we can create. And it still looks fab.